Hello and welcome to 12th Animal Sign Forecast for the year of 2023. This video is regarding the dragon animal sign and how it will fare in the year of the rabbit. The dragon has one of the most auspicious stars in 2023 along with a couple of inauspicious stars. So, if this is the first time we are meeting, hello, I am Jayashree Bose, Chinese metaphysics practitioner, author and teacher. I have been practicing Feng Shui, Bazi, Qigong, I Ching and Zeri, which is date selection, since 2001. Yeah, it makes it nearly more than 2 decades that I have been a practitioner. Okay, and my studies started somewhere in 2000. Alright, so let's get back to the dragon. The dragon in 2023 has one of the most auspicious stars, which is called the sun star. Okay. And of course, there's another auspicious star called the pulling saddle. Now, the sun star basically is one of the topmost nobleman star in Chinese metaphysics. Okay. There are 4. There's fortune virtue, there is a sun, there is moon, and there is dragon virtue. So, this is one of the topmost annual auxiliary nobleman star, which is good for the dragon in the year 2023. So what does the sun star basically indicate? It has the ability to negate all inauspicious stars effect. Okay, that is, if you are proactive and you take actions regarding the sun star, then obviously it's going to help you out. Now, a nobleman star, most people feel that a nobleman star should be somebody who's good to you, who's your friend or whom you know. Well, the nobleman star doesn't have to be any of those, okay? It could be just someone who gives you advice, or maybe it's a passing comment, or it could be your enemy also who tells you something, but it works in your favor, okay? So the nobleman doesn't really have to be your friend. At the same time, it doesn't mean somebody is going to come into your life. You can also reverse the situation and become a nobleman for someone else. That also will activate the sun nobleman star, okay? Now, the pulling saddle basically indicates change and challenges, okay? Now, how is that auspicious? Basically, you change. Since you already know there's a change coming in, you upgrade yourself, okay? Whether it's for work, whether it's for learning, you simply upgrade yourself and you change. Now, somehow those changes might not be for the best always, but it's a challenge. And if you can take up the challenge with the sun star, it is going to prove good for you. So let's look at the inauspicious stars which are there in the dragon animal sign in 2023. There's sky emptiness, there's yin sha, and there's 6 harms. Okay. Sky emptiness also indicates that your plans could fail because you are unable to implement them. Yeah. There's a lot of talk. There's a lot of empty talk. Like you're talking a lot, planning a lot, but nothing has been implemented and therefore you're achieving nothing. Okay, and that again causes you to feel empty inside. Alright. Now, yin sha basically indicates problems with females. Okay, the female gender. So, you need to be careful while dealing with the female gender. Especially, do not share all your secrets with them. Okay, avoid trusting women for this particular year. You could be stabbed in the back. Now, 6 harms basically indicates being hurt or betrayed by someone you love. Okay. Now, this could be your boss also. Maybe you just share something about your colleague to your boss, and your boss goes and talks about it to your colleague, and then your colleague comes back and, betrays you or says some hurtful words. So, it's a vicious cycle, yeah? So, you be careful about whom you trust and whom you share your secrets with, because 6 harms indicate being emotionally hurt, okay? Or you could suffer from mental anguish also. So, 6 harms is an emotional problem. Yin sha is basically facing problems with the opposite gender, especially females. Sky emptiness is basically you feeling empty inside. However, remember, the sun star has the ability to negate all these negative stars, yeah? So, activate the sun star. How you can activate the sun star, I'll be sharing with you just in a few minutes. For that, you will need your Bazi chart. Where can you get it? If you don't have your Bazi chart, this is where you can get it. tiandrenacademy.com/Bazi-calculator-app. If the link is showing in your screen right now, pause the video, go get your Bazi chart, because these are helpful tips you cannot afford to miss. So, welcome back. Now that you have your Bazi chart, let's go a bit deeper. Alright? So, in the year pillar, if you have the dragon, it basically indicates your business network, your social circle, your friends, okay? These are the people who have the sun star this year, all right? They have the nobleman star, which is the ability to help others. And at the same time, it also indicates that they have the ability, they could also be feeling the negative side effects of the dragon this year. That is the sky emptiness, the yin sha, or the six harms. So any which ways, you can always ask them if they need help. These are also people in your industry, okay? These are people in your industry. This represents your market also. So if people over there need help, because remember, noblemen can work both ways. You can be the nobleman to help them. They can be the nobleman to help you. Okay, so go offer your help to those people. Now, in your career, it basically indicates that your boss, okay, or people in your business, they need help. Could be your clients, could be your customers, could be your boss. They need help. And why not listen to their problems and provide a solution for them? Okay, it could be a product, it could be a service, it could be a freaking manual, yeah, but help people. Okay, as soon as you help someone, the sun star gets activated, because then you are the nobleman. Okay, you become the nobleman for your own business, or you become the nobleman for your senior. Okay, now in the day branch, it indicates your spouse or you, okay, or your close friends. These are the people who are your nobleman, or you could be their nobleman, either which ways. At the same time, do take note that if somehow they are feeling emotionally troubled because of the sky emptiness star, or they are feeling betrayed, emotional, they are in mental anguish, then do help them out, tide through the tough times, okay? Be extremely careful with your spouse as to what you talk to her or him, okay? Because that could create some problems. Six harms, remember, some miscommunication which could create some kind of emotional issue. So you need to be careful when you talk to them, all right? At the same time, if the dragon is here and they need help, do help them out, okay? Now, if the dragon is in the hour, it indicates your juniors, okay? Your juniors and your children. Maybe they are the ones who need help, okay? Maybe you could offer your help to them, all right? Or they could help you out. Okay, now over here, it also indicates your investments, all right, your ideas and thought palace, your self knowledge, okay, your wisdom. These are the things which is indicated by the dragon over here. So if you have the dragon here, and because of the sun star being here, then this is a year you can seek out a mentor, especially someone who can teach you something you've been wanting to learn for a long time. At the same time, you could hire an advisor for your investments, a financial advisor, or maybe you could go and study the same. Okay, if you are Yang Fire Day Master or Yin Fire Day Master, then maybe you would prefer studying about the subject than hiring an advisor. But whichever way, the dragon over here is helpful, as in your children, investments, helpful for your children, your investments, your juniors. At the same time, your ideas could change. The way you've been tackling some problems, maybe that could change because someone offers you an advice, a piece of advice, or maybe it could be a comment also. But that changes the way you have been thinking for so long. All right. Okay. So that brings us to an end. But don't go yet. Don't go yet. We have something for you. That is a free Align 2023 ebook. Okay, you can see the link in your screen right now. It's www.geoprinciples.com/2023 guide. Okay, it's a feng shui and astrology guide for 2023. So before you go off, please like the video or press on the subscribe channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we release a new video. And at the same time, do leave your comments below. Okay, if you have a question, definitely leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Have a prosperous and happy new year. Wishing you and your family a happy and prosperous new year.